bug bit?
Yeah.
Well, the spray's in here.
When we get Poor Leo gets that from me. It's already swollen up.
Yeah. Leo gets a bad. Oh. In the yeah. In the evenings, the bugs get really bad down here.
Oh yeah, it's already like that big. I don't even know if they have to bite me to make me swell up. I think they just land on me.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, sweet. Yep.
I don't think it's here.
Oh yeah, looks like I'd fit in there perfectly.
Yeah.
I love how he's just taking it through the most foreign parts. Oh yeah. 4x4 and it's fine.
See the Igloo doghouse.
Oh nice. Again, so much stuff out here.
We could drop it off right there.
Guess not.
I think there's 3 tent trailers out here I've counted.
Well, maybe if we get them all, we can put one in it. That should be a good one. Todd didn't get it.
He must be taking it down to the beach.
It ain't got no paddle.
You can get in it and he'll just pull you along in
Yeah,
the water.
fuck that.
Oh yeah,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're on it.
Oh, look at her. She's fine. She's fine. Just taking her for a spin.
I'll go get a cutter. Well, do you have a...
I'll get a cutter.
Just untie it.
No, I don't want any of it.